Alright, so first thing first, we have what is this? The contact app. So let me run this first. So we have our launcher, the Hello application. As you see, I have contact. Here we have the contacts, right? This is the contact file, but then we have the contact app controller, right? This is the controller with all the code. It creates a new contact here. It is a check here. I have an on action event for the button, which I'm about to show you in a minute, or in a second. I initialize the contacts here. Here we have the structure, or you could say the box. I would like to call it like an empty box for the contacts. It is here that we fill in that box, and it ran right here. If I open it up, there's nothing here. This is a list view. I separated by, I think, a vertical VH box or vertical box, something like that. And if I type something like Michael, my last name, phone number, email, right? If I save it, it happens here. I could save multiple. And I realized I could literally just clear it all and make a delete button. If I do that, it should delete. Yeah. And this button just clears the whole field. And so you could add another one. It doesn't delete the contact, it just clears it. What else? I have the recursion string, arrays. So we have a normal array, a backwards array. We have a normal array, a backwards array, and then finding the minimal value of each array. Excuse me. So this array right here is int. Oh my god. Here's this int. What else? Yeah, this is a string right here. The backwards array is a string, and it displays the value. I can run it right here. This is the first one, the normal array. This is the backwards array, and this is the minimal value array. And where's the last one? And this one. This is the hardest one I ever actually came across. Like, I had to do a lot of research in this one. I had to ask for help on this one. But this is the logic I pretty much came up with. Obviously, a chessboard, 8 by 8 pieces, right? So I made an multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array, a char array. And then I had to make several checks. Why? Because a queen goes diagonally, the queen goes vertical, up and down, and horizontally. So those are the checks I had to make. So each index requires a check. I think that's really where the recursive function really comes in, or recursive method, or recursive really comes in. So each check I label it as X. This is just like a visual for me. But I labeled it as X, so each one checks if a queen is possibly, if queen is in the range of another queen. So the first queen will be right here, and so, and it'll fill each, it'll check and fill each one, depending if it's true or false. In total, there are 8 queens in here, and if I run this, it's not running. Oh my god. Oh, it scared me for a second. Okay, right here, 8 queens, and it checks each one. So I pressed it multiple times. That's right. As you can see, the queens aren't colliding with each other. This one cannot reach that one. Yeah, my bad for that. That one cannot reach this one, and so forth. And that would really be it. If I were to do something again, or if do one of them again, it will probably be the contact app. I found this one the most fun because using the scene builder for the FXML files and all that, it's pretty fun, you know. The stressful part about this is that I didn't know you could initially. I didn't know you could. Oh my god. I didn't know you could add things like setters and getters for the FX file. I didn't know how to make them connect or make them together. that's when I started using the observable list. I realized the observable list is like the observable array list is really like the array list for a JavaFX file. And yeah, that'll be it. Thank you, and yeah.